Since childhood, we are told one simple rule: save your money. We hear it from our parents, our teachers, and almost everyone around us. Save money, avoid risk, work hard, and one day you will be rich. This advice sounds safe. It sounds responsible. And for a long time, we never question it. But here's the truth no one tells you. Saving money alone will never make you rich. In fact, if all you do is save, it can slowly make you poorer without you even realizing it. The reason is simple. Money that doesn't grow is losing value every single day. There is a silent enemy working against your savings, and most people never notice it. That enemy is called inflation. Inflation quietly increases the price of everything around you. Not suddenly, not dramatically, but slowly and consistently. Every year, food costs a little more. Rent goes up. Transportation becomes expensive. Education, healthcare, and daily life slowly demand more money. Your bank balance may look the same. The numbers don't change. But what those numbers can buy keeps shrinking. 10 years ago, the same amount of money could buy much more than it can today. And 10 years from now, it will buy even less. This is how inflation silently eats your savings. That's why saving is protection, not wealth. Savings are important, but they have a very specific purpose. They protect you during emergencies. They keep you alive when something goes wrong. They give you peace of mind. But savings alone do not create financial freedom. Financial freedom is not about surviving. It is about growing. And that is where most people get stuck. Rich people understand this difference very early in life. They don't just save money. They put money to work. Instead of letting money sit idle in a bank account, they use it as a tool. Their money earns more money, even while they sleep. This is the power of investing. Investing means using money to create growth. Growth that is stronger than inflation. Growth that increases purchasing power instead of destroying it. Stocks, businesses, and valuable skills are examples of this. Each one creates growth in a different way. Each one gives money the ability to multiply over time. And each one helps beat inflation. But most people never invest. Why? Because they fear risk. They are taught that risk is dangerous. They believe that losing money is the worst thing that can happen. So they choose safety. They choose comfort. They choose saving only. But here's the hard truth. Not investing is the biggest risk of all. Time does not stop. Inflation does not stop. The world keeps moving forward whether you participate or not. Rich people don't avoid risk completely. They understand it. They study before investing. They learn how things work. They diversify their money instead of putting it all in one place. Most importantly, they think long-term. Poor people are forced to think month to month. They worry about bills, rent, and expenses. They focus on survival. Rich people think decade to decade. They plan years ahead. They allow time and compounding to work in their favor. That mindset changes everything. Saving is step one. It builds stability. It creates a foundation. But investing is step two. It builds wealth. Skipping step two keeps people stuck forever. No matter how hard they work. No matter how much they save. Because money must move to grow. Idle money slowly dies. This is why savers often stay average. And investors move ahead. The system rewards growth. It rewards ownership. It rewards patience and long-term thinking. It does not reward fear. If you want to be rich, you must learn how money really works. Not what people casually say about it, but how it actually behaves in the real world. Save wisely. Invest patiently. Because saving keeps you safe. But investing is what makes you rich.